This is Lesson 17, Exit Ticket. You will need a pencil. For this activity, you will be looking across the row of numbers. Your job is to cross out the number that does not belong. Let's look at this little example. It said 1, 2, 9, 4, 5. Well, the 9 is definitely mixed up and does not belong, so I'm going to put an X on it. Above my X for the wrong number, I'm going to put the correct number. Now it's your turn. Come down to the car row, count across, and when you find the mistake, put an X on it and write the correct number. Continue with this row, and then this row, and this row.